Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So today's video is the continuation of the part 2. So we are done with the off-roading. It was not a proper off-roading as such, but there was no road, so we can take it as a off-roading track itself. So I hope you enjoyed that video. So this is nothing but I'm just heading back to Bangalore from Kolar. Just wanted to show you guys the view and my user experience with this bike, not that great. Yes, the seating posture is amazing, I would say, but on an overall stretch I don't find this bike, as in like if I'm riding a new bike it would be nice, but this is a rental bike, so I kind of didn't like it. And one more thing that I observed in this bike is, even if you leave your hand and if you ride right, you guys can see my hand, I'm not catching any handle, still it goes firm. So that is one thing that I liked about this bike. And the posture is something that I started loving. Though the bike is not in a great condition, but still the posture, there is no issue with regards to the posture. It is nice. It's a proper cruiser wherein you can take this bike for a very long stretch as things. That should never be an issue for you, and you can get rid of the back pain that you come across during long rides. And one more thing that I noticed in this bike is the posture of the gear and the brake posture. That's an amazing thing, because it's just like a sofa set while you ride, so you can see, right? And yeah. So yes guys, I just had a request from you guys. I just take this as a small request. So I always had this kind of thought to ride different bikes, because that is the whole point of having a motovlogging channel. Ride different bikes and give my perspective or point of view on that particular user experience. So that is what I'm planning to do it. But since our channel is not that big, right? We just have 1000 subscribers, 1010 subscribers to be very precise. And even if I am reaching out to any particular showrooms, they won't be okay to give me any bike and ask me to review it, because they're not going to get any kind of profit out of it, right? So what is the request that I would ask you guys is, if you are having any kind of bike, it can be starting from an old Pulsar or an old RX or anything of that sort, do ping me in Instagram. If you have my number, do ping me in WhatsApp. We can probably do a small collab or a small ride. This is only for people who are within Bangalore, so that we can meet, we can know each other, and then I can review your bikes as well. So if you want your bike to be featured in our channel, you can always contact me. We can meet someday and get things sorted. So that is my request. It's completely your wish. If you wish to contact me and if you're completely okay with it, yes, you guys can ping me in Instagram, and we can meet someday, and probably we can do a review on that particular bike. So that was something that I always wanted to tell you guys. So yeah, and coming back to the bike's posture and everything, when it comes to posture, it's actually nice. I don't find any kind of uncomfortable stuffs while I'm sitting in this bike. And also, it's pretty smooth. The bike is rode around 85,544 kilometers so far, and it's way too much, I would say. But not bad. Not bad for a bike like this. But I somewhere think these rental companies, if they would have maintained the bike a little more better, it would have been great. That is the only thing. But overall, I think Avenger is a good bike because of the posture, and the pickup is also pretty great.